Imagine creating viral style videos without recording anything yourself. That's the exactly what Street Speak AI does. We will discuss about free bonuses for my side end of this video. How the system works. Step 1. Choose a niche. Step 2. Enter a keyword. Step 3. AI generate street style interviews. Step 4. Post on multiple platforms. No editing, no scripting, no face required. Who should use this tool? Street Speak AI is preferred for beginners with zero experience, people who hate being on camera, and affiliate marketers, social media managers, online business owners. If your goal is attention plus traffic, this fits perfectly. Who should not use it? If you want to instant money, hate learning new things, don't post content at all, then this may not be for you. They are showing everything live on December 29th, including pricing and bonuses. I recommended watching the demo before making any decision. Check the link in below, secure your free seat and see if this is right for you. If you purchase from my link in description, I am going to provide you a free bonus introduction to artificial intelligence. Contact on Instagram, send me the screenshot of the purchase. I will send you a email.